Manage your subscription in My Account. Keep informed of any outstanding issues or items needing approval from the Captain's notification section. For example, certificates needing renewal, safety drills, and outstanding invoices. Set all users' permissions for the site, give them access to certain areas, and keep confidential information hidden. As a guideline to new captains, you will need to set the junior crew member with access to crew, vessel, safety, and calendar. This will give them access to everything they will need to get the job done. Get instant access to any of the vessel's main reports, from crew documents to vessel certificates. Sealogical allows you to add more than one vessel into the system, organising your fleet all in one place and keeping all individual files separate. Ask us about the Admiral subscription. Use the finance section to keep track of supplier invoices and receipts. View any outstanding payments awaiting approval. Quickly access details for all of your suppliers. You can filter and sort the suppliers list by supplier name or by their invoices total. Manage your vessel cash book accounts in different currencies and make each cash book available to specific crew members. Transactions between these accounts can be summarized for approval by you or the captain at the end of each month. The crew section is where the captain manages all crew details in one area, providing instant access to crew documents and leave requests. All certificates are readily available and you are notified when they need renewing. Keep track of your crew movements and salaries. The crew can sign into this and request leave and submit for captain's approval. Download all your crew reports here. Next of kin lists, onboard crew lists to hours of rest details. Crew can fill out their hours of rest records or manage each crew member records if they are head of department via an easily accessible top menu bar. Alarm messages will flag up any issues, and once complete, they will then submit that week for captain's approval. The technical section is an easy-to-use, fully featured project management tool. Track jobs and invoices. Manage maintenance and dry dock periods. A simple but detailed job list gives you a snapshot view of all the current tasks on board and whether they will be done during a maintenance period or by a crew member. Export the lists to a detailed spreadsheet and print the work lists for contractors. Keep tabs on what surveys need to be done and when. Make sure everything is ready to go for the next charter trip. Use your calendar to see any shipyard periods, upcoming charters, crew leave, and certificate expiry notifications. Manage your time efficiently to keep everything running smoothly. The calendar is also linked to the technical section. Simply click on the event for the jobs lists. Stay safe, stay professional by keeping up to date with safety management. Store all reports and forms in a simple way. Download all necessary forms, from safety and environmental health inspections to defect reports. Download all your latest training manuals, procedures, checklists, and passage plans. For the flag and port state and classification sections, the information displayed depends on the vessel details. Classification. Similarly to the flag and port state document uploads, the documents visible for this section are related to the specific vessel classification and port, which is set up in the vessel details section. And as protecting the oceans becomes more acutely important and compliance with regulations more closely monitored, use Sealogical to keep on top of waste and pollution management. Log all your charter inquiries from initial inquiry to approved and confirmed. See them all in one list with access to all relevant documents connected to each one. Upload all itineraries, guest lists, and preference sheets to keep on top of all the separate charters. A new charter is automatically uploaded to the vessel's calendar. Every crew member will find the inventory section useful, logging all items in each department and having them stored there for easy access to check what needs renewing and replacing. Have access to your main vessel details, filling out flag states and ports which connect with the safety section. Everyone is able to view the vessel movements throughout the year to make sure schedules are kept to. Keep a record of all post that comes and goes from the vessel. All reports are downloaded into Excel for you to have hard copies available. Let's look at how certificates are organised. The left-hand menu is divided into clear, logical sections for your convenience. We'll look at tonnage certificates in this example. Stay organised by adding new certificates into the appropriate section. When certificates have been added, the status summary page will display reminders for certificates that are close to expiring or have expired and need renewing. To access a report quickly, you can download it as a simple Excel spreadsheet.